We talk about methotrexate. This is 4-amino 10-methyl folic acid, available as orange powder, orange brown crystalline powder, which is practically insoluble in water, alcohol, chloroform, ether, and freely soluble in the solution of alkali, slightly soluble in HCl. This is useful in the management of acute lymphoblastic leukemia in children. It is established value in choriocarcinoma and related trophoblastic tumors of women. Beneficial effects are also obtained in patients with the breast, head and neck, lung, osteogenic sarcoma. Methotrexate has been used with benefit in the therapy of psoriasis and also used as an immunosuppressive agent, for example in the organ transplantation and for the treatment of rheumatoid arthritis. The dosage: oral adult 2.5 to 10 milligrams, for children 2.5 to 5 milligrams. The dosage form: tablets 2.5 milligram, methotrexate sodium injection 2 to 5 milligram per ml, 25 milligram per ml. We talk about fluorouracil. This is 5-fluorouracil, 5-fluoro-2,4-pyrimidine-dione, available as white odorless crystalline powder, stable when exposed to air, melting point 282. The drug is converted to 5-monophosphate nucleotide to exert its cytotoxic activity. The drug produces partial or complete response to 10 to 30% patients with metastatic carcinoma of breast and GIT. Also useful in the carcinoma of ovary, cervix, urinary bladder, prostate, pancreas and oropharyngeal areas. It is used in combination with other agents like cyclophosphamide and methotrexate. Also used topically in the treatment of precancerous dermatosis, especially actinic dermatitis if the lesions are multiple. Intravenous 12 mg per kg daily for 4 days, and the dosage form 1 to 5% injection, topical 1 to 2%. Talk about mercaptopurine, that is 6-MP. You see the chemical structure. This is similar to the nucleotides bases, like that is purine. So this is 1,7-dihydro-6-purine 6-thiol monohydrate, available as yellow crystalline powder, odorless, melting point is about 308, insoluble in water, acetone, ether, soluble in hot alcohol and dilute aqueous alkali. Mercaptopurine in combination with methotrexate is a combination of first choice in the maintenance chemotherapy of acute lymphocytic leukemia. And mercaptopurine is also used in the treatment of chronic granulocytic leukemia. Maintenance therapy with 6-mercaptopurine is useful. It is active immunosuppressive agent, mostly useful in ulcerative colitis and psoriatic arthritis. The dosage: oral adult, initially 2.5 mg per kg in the single or divided dosage for 4 weeks. Now we talk about donomycin hydrochloride, that is donomycin or cerebidine. Donomycin is anthracycline antibiotic and it possesses tetracycline ring structure with unusual sugar donosamine attached by glycosidic linkage. It appears as dead needles, melting point 190, soluble in water, methanol, ethanol. This is very useful in the treatment of acute lymphocytic and acute granulocytic leukemia in combination with cytarabine. It is a treatment of choice in the acute non-lymphoblastic leukemia. The dosage 30 to 60 mg per day for 3 days intravenously every 3 weeks. Actinomycin, that is Cosmegen as a brand name. Actinomycin D is the chemical name. This is a bright red crystalline powder. It was isolated in 1940 from the culture broth of species of Streptomyces. This is highly soluble in water and alcohol. Melting point is 248 to 45. This is light sensitive, should be protected from light, excessive heat and moisture. The most important clinical use of actinomycin is the treatment of rhabdomyosarcoma, and Wilmer tumor in children in combination with cyclophosphamide and vincristine. It is effective in women with the advanced cases of choriocarcinoma. Also used in the treatment of testicular carcinoma in combination with chlorambucil and methotrexate. This is effective in acute leukemia. It has also been used to inhibit immunological responses, particularly the rejection of renal transplants. The dosage IV 0.01 to 0.5 milligram once a day, and children 0.015 milligram divided in 4 dosage. The dosage form is injection 0.5 milligram as a lyophilized powder. Now we talk about mitomycin. The chemical name is mitomycin. This is antibiotic again, derived from Streptomyces caspitosis by Wakaki in 1958. It contains urethane, that is a quinine group, and aziridine ring as well as mitosane ring. It's a bluish violet crystalline powder soluble in water. Now this is used in the palliative treatment of gastric adenocarcinoma in combination with 5-fluorouracil, and it's a drug of second choice in the treatment of tumor of bladder and pancreatic adenocarcinoma. It is beneficial in carcinoma of colon, cervix, rectum, pancreas, breast, bladder, head and neck, and lung, and also shown some activity against lymphomas and leukemias. The dosage IV 10 to 20 milligram single dose for 5 days. The dosage form vials 5, 20 and 40 milligram. We talk about cisplatin, that is cis diamine dichloroplatinum. This is an inorganic white water soluble platinum containing complex. The cytotoxicity of this platinum coordination compound was first observed in 1965. It is highly soluble in dimethyl formamide, melting point 207. This is used in the treatment of testicular ovarian cancer, effective in bladder, cervical carcinoma, head and neck cancer, as well as osteogenic sarcoma and gastric carcinoma. This is used in combination with cyclophosphamide for ovarian neoplasm and with bleomycin or vinblastine for testicular tumors.